blockchain and Bitcoin. Blockchain is just the layer of distributed database where information is recorded, and there are various different ways that you can build a blockchain. Bitcoin is the first implementation of a blockchain. So Bitcoin is a digital currency system that was built on top of the protocols and rules that a blockchain creates. So Bitcoin is the first application of blockchain technology. So what is the difference between the fiat money that we discussed and Bitcoin? Well, Bitcoin is decentralized, which means it's not controlled by any single party, right? We've seen that those thousands of computers all around the world each have an equal say about who's right and who's wrong. Whereas in fiat money, the system is completely centralized. The bank tells us and updates the records as they see fit. So Bitcoin transactions happen between two peers, me and somebody else, whoever I want to transact with. There's nobody else involved in the transaction. Whereas fiat money is controlled by centralized parties and government entities. We've already talked about how Bitcoin is scarce because the number of new Bitcoins that enter the system is completely controlled by the software. Whereas fiat money can be introduced by governments at any time that they want. And this leads us to having an unlimited supply of fiat money, whereas Bitcoin is controlled and has a limited supply of 21 million. With fiat money, you can always phone your bank and, have a transaction reversed. A Bitcoin transaction is 100% irreversible, which is why you need to be so careful when performing a transaction using blockchain. And Bitcoin, we've seen, is much more efficient than the traditional fiat system. It's a lot faster, a lot cheaper, and it's censorship resistant, which means nobody can go back and alter the records.